evening. Yeah. So, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, my students. I hope everybody is fine. Yeah, today I'm the one handling the channel, uh, working and working. I want to wish you all a happy new month. This is the month of the Lord. Sometimes people do say that I know that Jesus Christ, the Bible did not record the actual months. He was born. The only thing you know that he was born. Christian all over the world now started celebrating him on the 25th of December. But that one is Bible, that is not what we are here, and that is not why we are here. Ndị ewo na-ekele m ụnụ nke onye chiri ya ezere, kedu ka ekesa anyanwụ eji m n'aka na onye ọbụla dị nnọọ mma nke ọma obi wu m nọọsọ so nnu. I'm so happy. Last week we discussed on a topic that is the foundation. So today is 1st 10 2022 and what we are studying is asụsụ Igbo. Asụsụ Igbo. Wow. Asụsụ Igbo. And isiokwu anyị that is the topic. Let me bring it closer to where we can see it very, very well. Isiokwu, that is the topic. Last week we were able to recite Abede, that is the Igbo alphabet, and I hope different meaning altogether. In English language, that is what it is called, homonyms. In English language, we call it homonyms in English language. See how we wrote it? Okwu ndị yiri onwe ha n'asụsụ Igbo mana ha abụghị ofu, maọbụ ha enweghị ofu nghọta maọbụ otu nghọta. Okwu ndị yiri onwe ha n'asụsụ Igbo mana ha enweghị otu nghọta. Okwu ndị yiri onwe ha mana ha enweghị otu nghọta. Ndị yiri onwe ha n'Igbo, ya bụ n'asụsụ Igbo, mana ha enweghị otu nghọta. In English, we say words that appear the same, but they are not the same. They don't have the same meaning. So let us start from this. This one may mean multitude. As the Igbo. Okay? Igbo must have come back now. Igbo. is a simple one. King. I will press the next thing here. King. Permit me my king. I don't know if you are saying it very well. Igbo sounds Igbo. How do I write it? Are they the same spelling? They are the same spelling. They sound alike, but they are not the same meaning. Real. That is okwu ndị yiri onwe ha mana ha bụ otu. So let us go to the next one. Okay? I hope you have written this one down and you have understood this one. Yeah. Close. Upper. We have so I want you to look at it very well before I wipe it off. I want you to look at it very well. I hope you have seen this. Since I watched this one, buying, so let us put the tomato. So let us put the tomato there. Asu na asu as the back, your back, and asu as the fish. Ego, buy downstairs. How comes the tina can I have a? How comes the tina can I have? Obia, what I get there? Ego, I carry down soda. What do you get there? Atara, Atara, but Hakara can idea. Only what I can. Okay, this is high tone and downstairs tone. High tone and downstairs tone, while this is low tone and high tone. Ego is low tone and high tone. Ego is high tone and downstairs tone. They are the same spelling, but they don't mean the same thing. These are the homonyms. So I believe that our white counterparts, when they see this, how can I want to tie man with the homonyms? That's a Igbo. So I want you to look at it very well. Look at it very well, so that you know whenever you appear before them, you'll be able to at least teach them. Okay? Igbo language very well. Maybe today is the first time of joining our class. So that is why I am mixing the two languages, because we are teaching language. That's why I'm teaching. I will speak English, also Igbo language, for the benefit of our people who understand Igbo language. So that is it. Let us go to another one. The number 4. The number 4. Number 4. Okay. Okay. reason why when I write, I will go back is to make sure you understand what we are talking about. Okay. 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 So here we have boundary. Here we have mouse. Here we have as per share your own slots. Okay. 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 Okay? Yeah. So ebe anyị nwere gịnị nke bụ maọbụ nke na-akụwa gbasara oke ala. In English you call it boundary. Ebe anyị nwekwara nke bụ oke, ya bụ oke na-ebi n'ụlọ. Oke. Ebe a nwekwa nke na-egosi maka gịnị ihe ị nwetara, ya bụ ife iketara n'onwe nke gị. Okay? Share, boundary, mouse. So we are going to mark them. Okay? 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 Okay. 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 Let me okay. Okay. So this is it. Yeah. Let us go to another one. Okay? Yeah, that friend will go also. Allah. 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 Allah means land. Allah means going, departing, exiting. Okay? Good. Akara nke ise. Ala. Allah. 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 This one is 2. This one are 2 in number. Homonym. One thing about homonym in Igbo language is their spelling are the same. Their spelling are the same. Their form are the same. But they have different vocabulary. They have different vocabulary. They have different meaning. Okay? Yeah, they don't mean the same thing. If it is an English language, homonyms don't have or the same thing. But in your mind, you know you are talking of a different thing altogether. But in Igbo language, homonym have the same spelling, the same form, but different meaning, different vocabulary, okay? So let us look at this. Land. Going. Let us mark them now. Land and going. Allah. Okay, this one is Allah. Please pardon me. This one is Allah. Okay? Allah. That is no tune altogether. No tune. Allah. Allah. And this we have Allah, this we have Allah, the same spelling but different meaning. The same spelling but different meaning. Let me write it the way you will see it very well. Yeah, good. Look at it very well. I hope you are following. Yeah. Allah. Allah. Okay. Allah means land. That's why after marking them, I will also write it in English language for us to know the exact one we are talking about. Okay? Allah. Allah. We have written okay, okay, no okay. We have written aqua, 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 and aqua. We have written igwe, igwe, na igwe. Otu nghọta. Anyị dokwara okwu bụ akwe a. Igwe bụ igwe e. We got clothes, got bed. The same spelling, but they have different meaning. Then anyị gakwara na oke oke anyị nwetara oke, nweta oke, nwetakwa oke. We got from oke, we got rat or mouse. We got share, share your own portion, your own slots. We also got boundary, okay? Yeah, limits. So that is it for OPF. We also mention AGO. o. Anyị nwetara ego, buying, nweta ego, money. In ego, we got buying, we got money. But how were we able to differentiate them? We were able to differentiate them by marking them, to give them a distinctive meaning, their own peculiar meaning, okay? A distinctive meaning. That is the essence of the to mark, to differentiate them, to tell which one is which one, okay? That is the essence of to marking them. Again, we came to this one, we got a, le, a, which is Allah. Allah. Anyị dere a, le, a, nke bụ Allah. Allah. We brought a, we brought le, and we brought a again, and joined them together. They are 3-letter words. All the words we wrote are all 3-letter words. 3-letter words. In Igbo language, you don't to mark a consonant. You only to mark a vowel. So when you watch all the words we wrote on the whiteboard and the ones we to mark, you will know, you will see, you will understand that I only to mark the vowels. Touching these very homonyms, we are going to discuss about consonants and vowels in Igbo language. We call them Udaume na Mbochume. Okay? That is the one we are going to talk about by God's grace next week. So we were able to mark the word only the vowels. You don't mark the consonants. Why? There is a reason for that. The reason why it is only the vowel that you must to mark to distinguish the meaning of all these same words, homonyms, is because consonants don't have sound of their own. Okay? Yeah, they are silent, but vowels are not silent. That is why whenever I'm teaching, especially in this aspect, I always say that it is the vowel that gives the consonant a sound. Consonant on its own does not have sound. They are silent sound or alphabet. For example, if you remove a, the vowels from this let me say it in English. It's in front and at the back of this L, the L cannot have the sound of its own. Okay? It will not have meaning. Oh yeah, it will not. It will be like a sentence that does not have a verb. Yeah, that does not have a finite verb. Okay? So we are not going there. But by next week, by God's grace, iji gosi ndị iche ha anaghị akanye mgbochi ume akara ụda olu. Ọ bụ naanị ụda ume na-ebu gịnị akara ụda olu. Mgbochi ume anaghị ebu akara gịnị ụda olu, n'ihi na mgbochi ume anaghị enwe ụda. Ọ naghị enwe ụda. Ọ bụ naanị ụda ume na-enwe ụda. Ya bụ ọ bụrụ na ewepụ a abụọ abụọ nọ n'iru na azụ ị ga-ahụ na nri na onwe ya enweghị ume, onweghịkwana gịnị ụda, kama na o nwere ume na-aba mba. Ịnụ na eme gịnị la ọ bụ n'ihi agbakwunyere na ya bụ n'azụ ya tinyekwa n'iru kpatara gịnị o jiri nwee gịnị ụda ahụ. Ị na-anụ ya wee mee gịnị ya wee bụrụ ya. Na-atụfughị oge ka anyị dekwuo otu naanị tupu anyị apịakọta. Ka anyị dekwuo naanị gịnị otu tupu anyị abịa gịnị apịakọta nkụzi anyị nke taa. O nwere okwu mkpọrọ asị m azụ na gịnị na azụ. Azụ na gịnị azụ. Azụ nwere ike ọ bụrụ azụ nke a maọbụ ọ bụrụ azụ nke ebe gịnị ịzụrụ ihe nzụrụ. Azụ nwekwara ike bụrụ azụ a na-eri eri maọbụ gịnị ịzụ mmadụ. Ị na-anụ nke a na-egosisi gịnị ebumnuche ibu n'uche ya bụ ime okwu ọbụla nwere ọbọ. It depends on the context of your statement. Okay? It could mean training. It could mean fish. Okay? The other one could mean back. It could mean buying. So they are the same spelling, but have you seen that in this one has a different mark that means two different things, but the same to mark. I'm going to write it on the white board so that you will understand what we are talking about. Remember, this is the number 6. This is the number to mark them. Ka itinye ha gịnị akara ụda olu dịka m kọwara. Nke a nwere ike ọ bụrụ ịzụ mmadụ n'ụlọ akwụkwọ, ịzụ mmadụ n'ahịa, ịzụ mmadụ n'ọrụ, ịzụ mmadụ n'ezinụlọ. Nke a nwere ike ọ bụrụ azụ, ya bụ azụ a na-eri eri, azụ ọbụla bụ azụ. A nwekwara anụ, mana nke a bụ adịghị izu ọzọ anyị etinye ya n'ọrụ. Azụ, hailo, azụ, hailo. Ụmụka fọ ka m si tinye ebe ahụ. Azụ, azụ. Okay? Good. You have seen it, how they are. So they could mean two different things. This one has its own distinctive meaning. This one has its own meaning. Okay? Training, fish, buying, back. Okay? This one, buying, this one is a verb. This one is a verb. This one is a noun. This one is a noun. Ya bụ nke bụ ngwa. Nke a bụ aha. Nke a bụkwa ngwa. Nke a bụ aha. Anyway, as time goes on, I'm going to teach you the 7 or 8 figures of what? Speech, parts of speech. We call it parts of speech. Okay? I will have when the child, when many of them. So as time goes on, it is gradually, then I will teach you those things. So I believe that today, please, we are able to at least grab one or two of homonyms in Igbo language. The difference between English homonym and Igbo homonym is in English homonym, the words have different spelling, but the same sound. The same sound. Okay? Yeah, the same sound, but different spelling that also have different meaning. Okay? In Igbo, they have the same spelling, okay? Different sounds and different meaning. In English, different spelling, the same sound and different meaning. In Igbo, the same spelling, different sound, and the different and the consonants in Igbo language. Okay, we call them udaume na mbochume. Okay, so we are going to finish the homonyms. We are going to touch it a little, and also we then delve into teaching vowels and consonants in Igbo language. So thank you so much for joining us today. Once again, I wish you happy new months, and I pray that this month will be a month of breakthrough and a month of blessings for you, and also pray that God will give you the retentive memory to understand what